In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore image with Nano Banana. By the end, you'll know how to take an old or damaged photo and bring it back to life using Google Gemini's image tools, powered behind the scenes by Nano Banana. All you need is a web browser and a scanned or clearly photographed copy of your image. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. From the results, click the official link that leads to gemini.google.com to open the app. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do so. A desktop or laptop makes this process easier to manage, though mobile can work in a pinch. Once you're in Gemini, select the Create Image option. This turns on the Nano Banana features that enable image generation and enhancement, which is exactly what we'll use to restore your photo. Next, upload your reference image. Click the plus icon, then choose the photo you want to repair. For the best outcome, pick the highest resolution version available. Scans at 300 dpi or higher are ideal, and lossless PNG files or high-quality JPEGs without heavy compression are great choices. If you're taking a picture of a print, use even lighting to minimize glare and avoid strong shadows. Try not to crop out edges or frames that help the model understand the full scene. With your image attached, write a clear, targeted prompt to guide the restoration. You can use this as a starting point. Restore this old photograph with high fidelity. Remove scratches, dust, stains, and discoloration. Reconstruct missing details while preserving the subject's original look. If needed, add notes like keeping skin tones natural, retaining light film grain, or avoiding over-smoothing. The more specific you are about what to fix and what to preserve, the more accurate the result will be. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Gemini will process your request and generate a restored version. Give it a moment. Larger files can take a bit longer. Review the output carefully. If it feels too sharp, too soft, or slightly off in color, adjust your wording and submit again. Simple refinements like asking for gentler color correction, keeping original texture, or enhancing only faces can make a big difference. You can iterate a few times to get the look just right. And that's it. You've restored an old image using Nano Banana inside Google Gemini. Keep your original file as a backup, compare before and after, and save the restored version with a new file name. Thanks for watching, and happy restoring.